I wish I knew how to quit you.
Oh hi, I'm Jo. Welcome to Sewing Nerd Studios. We're getting right into it. I hate this dress so vehemently. The top doesn't cross over well. The bottom is all weird and too long. So let's grab our seam ripper and unpick the couple of spots we need to. There's going to be very minimal stitching here. Let's go.
When I say this is a quick project, I mean it's a quick project. I cut a bunch off the bottom. I unpicked in 2 spots. I regathered down the top of the side seam up by my armpit, re-stitched it down. It really did not take much time at all. Honestly, getting myself dolled up and styling it is probably what took the longest. Okay, so there wasn't a lot to do here, so the reveal is coming up quick. But before we get to that, hey, everybody over on Patreon, thank you so much. You're the bestest. This was a heavy dress, but the little bit of weight taken off isn't pulling the top down, so I don't feel like I'll accidentally be flashing people. And especially over some tights, it's like keeping the bottom in place. I will see you back here with a nice chunky studio vlog next Friday. Thank you so much for hanging out. Tweaks, fixes, amendments. I even put on heels for this and they're not in frame at any point. It's below freezing outside, yet somehow I am still sweating.